Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable gingerbread houses and these little gingerbread trees. So if you guys want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Alright, so here's what the gingerbread houses look like when they're all done. I went ahead and did 2 off camera so you guys could see. So you're going to need these little gingerbread ornaments. I got them from JoAnn's. They were $4.99 each, but I did get them half off. And then you're going to need a variety of like embellishments. I got most of mine from Hobby Lobby in the mini Christmas tree section, as well as some stickers. Got an assortment here from Hobby Lobby, some from Dollar Tree. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you how you want to personalize them and customize them. Next is some fake snow, some puffy paint, and then some acrylic paint in brown, red, and green. And lastly, we're going to need some caulk. I got mine from Dollar Tree. So we're going to take that brown paint and we're going to go ahead and paint all of our houses and trees brown. Going to add about 2 coats, but we are not going to paint the roof. We're going to leave that white. You'll see why here in a second. So here's what they look like when they're all painted. So now we're going to take our Waverly chalk paint in white and paint a nice thick coat on the roof. Next, we're going to take our caulk. Got mine from Dollar Tree, like I said earlier. I'm just going to spread it on. I'm going to take a brush and kind of move it around. It doesn't need to be perfect. We are going to be putting the fake snow on top. It's just to have a good, nice, tacky base for the snow to stick to. Now we're going to take that snow. Like I said, I got it from Dollar Tree. Just going to push it in, make sure it's nice and set, shake off the excess. Went ahead and did the other roof as well. Now as you can see, all of the houses are a little bit different. I got 4 different styles, so I'm going to go ahead and paint the door on this one red. You can paint it any color you'd like. This is the fun part. It's really customizable. You can add anything. You can add rope like I'm doing here. I got this rope from JoAnn's last year. I'm going to be adding it on there to kind of look like candy canes. Really, this part is completely up to you. But what I'm doing is adding that rope on either side with hot glue. Now I'm going to take those little mini light bulbs that were at Hobby Lobby last year. I'm just going to line the roof line with that with some hot glue. It'd be really cool if these lit up. That is something you could do as well. If you want to get those battery operated lights, that would be really, really cute. But this is what I had. I wanted to work with what I've got on hand. And isn't this adorable? I love how this came out. Super cute. Now I'm just going to go through and embellish it. I've got some big peppermints I'm going to glue down in various spots. Like I said before, you completely customize it the way you would like. Now I'm going to be taking those Christmas tree stickers that I got from Dollar Tree and adding it to either side of the door. I did go through and add some puffy paint to make it look like ornaments. Thought it was really cute, but you got to be careful. If you touch it, it will mess up and smear, so be very, very patient with this. It does take a little while to dry. Now I'm going to take these little mini candy canes. They were also from Hobby Lobby. Just going to put them on either side of the door. I'm going to take these gingerbread man stickers. They are like glittery and got rhinestones on them. They are from Hobby Lobby as well. I'm going to stick him in front of the door. How cute is this? Now I'm just going to outline the windows with some white puffy paint to kind of make it look like snow. You can always add the fake snow on top of this while it's wet as well. Completely up to you. Now we're going to move on to the other house. I did go ahead and put the snow on the roof, just like I did the other one. Now we're going to take these little gumdrops. These were a little mini garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put them on top of the roof. So I'm going to take one, alternating colors, and just line it up. These were so cute. I found these houses on a whim. I was actually in JoAnn and I saw them. I was like, oh my gosh. Went online to see if they had more, and they had more styles, plus they had 60% off, plus an additional 20% off if you do in-store pickup. So these were close to nothing. So I highly recommend, if you can get your hands on them, definitely do so. They are so, so cute. I do wish they lit up, but for $4.99, what do you expect, you know? But like I said, you can add some string lights in there. That would be super, super cute. Now I'm going to go back through with my puffy paint here and add some more snow. I decided the puffy paint might be a little bit easier and less messy if I do it this way. I love this one so much. The gumdrop ones are definitely my favorite. So I'm going to be taking the little wreath. I got these from Hobby Lobby as well. They're little embellishments. I got them last year. Stick that in the middle of the house. Now I'm going to follow those lines there, those little wood cutouts for like little Christmas lights. So I'm going to use my puffy paint to do that. And here's what it looks like. So, so cute. I got these little mini lollipops from Hobby Lobby as well. I got all of this last year. I did not have to buy anything new, but I'm pretty sure they have all of the same stuff. Alright, now I'm going to make those little gingerbread trees. I got this pack from JoAnn. It was $7.99 and then 60% off plus another $20, so super cheap. Here's two that I already did off camera. So I'm going to take the bigger ones here, going to paint them brown just like I did the other ones. Now while the paint is still wet, I'm going to dust them very lightly with iridescent glitter that I got from Hobby Lobby. You can always add Mod Podge on top if you want, but it was so much easier while the paint was still wet just to add it on. Okay, we're going to knock off the excess. Here's what we've got. So now I decided to make little gumdrop trees using that little garland as well. So here I am just kind of figuring out the, placement of everything, and then I will lay it down and hot glue it. Then I decided to go back through with the puffy paint to make it look like icing, and I really love how these turned out. Super adorable. I did also add some iridescent glitter on top of the white puffy paint just to make it look super sparkly and glittery, kind of like a cookie. Now in order to make these trees stand up, you're just going to take a clothespin and kind of pull the clothespin down on itself, if you can see what I'm doing here, and it kind of makes like a little easel. So I'm going to hot glue the clothespin to the back of the tree and it holds up just perfectly, kind of creates like a little stand. So this is super budget friendly as well, and they came out perfect. I love these trees so, so much. So cute. Alright, I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. These little gingerbread houses are so adorable. I hope you give these a try. I will link everything that I can down below. This will probably be my last Christmas DIY, so I hope you guys have a very, very Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!